A family in Salinas, California, might be ready to deliver a tongue lashing to the prowler their security camera caught licking their doorbell for 3 hours. Sylvia Dungan told local station KION-TV over the weekend the security system alerted the family to strange movement in the early morning. "I thought, boy, there's a lot of traffic. I go, 5 in the morning. My son doesn't get home till 6-8. And well then who the heck is that?" Dungan said. She was even more shocked when she watched the video, hours of a male trespasser licking the doorbell. "I thought, oh boy, that is just weird," Dungan told CBS Sacramento. The tongue-wagging trespasser didn't stop there. Police said he also was caught on video appearing to urinate on the front lawn, according to KION. Police said the suspect, Roberto Daniel Arroyo, 33, could face misdemeanor charges for petty theft and prowling, according to CBS Sacramento. As of Tuesday afternoon, he remained at large. Dungan said there was no physical damage to her home, but her family spent the rest of the weekend sanitizing their doorbells, according to the station.